2011 Toyota Corolla. We have a misfire code, which is a P0302 along with P219A. So this code right here is related to the misfire code. Most likely it's just going to be a bad ignition coil, but I'm going to show you a way to confirm that it's just a bad ignition coil. We're going to swap the cylinder 1 to cylinder 2 ignition coil and see if the misfire moves from second to first one. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna swap these two coils, see if the misfire moves. So we're gonna unplug the ignition coil 2 and the number 1. This is a 10mm bolt. So take these two off. All we're doing is we're gonna swap them out. I can tell like right away that this one is not good. So take this one and we're gonna swap it here. And we're gonna put this bad one. I think that's the bad one. That's what we're doing. We're trying to confirm. So we're gonna see if the misfire moves to cylinder 1 now. If it does, then obviously your ignition coil is bad and you need to replace it with a new one. Alright, I'm gonna have my brother start up the car. You go ahead and crank it up. Okay, so we swapped the two ignition coils. So originally the misfire was on cylinder 2. So we're gonna see if it moves now. You see, when you unplug this, see this one, nothing's happening. Before it was here and nothing's happening, so that means it's just a bad ignition coil. So we just confirmed that the ignition coil or the misfire moved from here to here, so that's a bad ignition coil. Another way you can do this too is after you swap those ignition coils, go ahead and reset the check engine light. So we had a cylinder 2 misfire. If the check engine light turns on again and it says cylinder 1, then obviously that's a bad ignition coil. But yeah, all you got to do is replace the ignition coil and maybe change the spark plugs too. That's it, guys. I hope this video helped you guys out. If you guys got any questions, comment below. Give me a thumbs up and click on that subscribe button. And again, thank you for watching.